Team K&K welcomes you all to this short video on our project. We all know that even to this day, medical care is inaccessible for some people, maybe due to the lack of hospitals nearby or just because they hesitate to go to hospitals at such pandemic times. Moreover, there are several natural solutions to almost all common illnesses. Our idea is to take these natural solutions out there to those in need at the right time using the right technology. Rap Dhanvantri would definitely be an answer. It is an AI-based chatbot which will assist in both physical and mental illnesses.
The users can register themselves in the app using the sign up column that is provided. They can use their unique email ID and they can create a password for them. So that will authenticate them, and those email ID and password details will be collected in our database for further references, just for analytical purpose. Only the email ID will be collected and users can use them to log in into the app. After logging in, they can go through this tutorial, a small tutorial on how to use this app actually. So they can walk through this basic information that is provided here, and after that they can start using the bot. So the bot will provide temporary and instant solutions for over 57 to 58 illness, very common illness that occurs in human, like fever or cold, tonsils, etc. Let's say, for example, I have tonsils. I can simply tell to the chatbot that I have tonsils, and it will be able to provide some traditional solutions which I can follow using the things that are available in my home. And it will also assist in providing the long-term remedies which I could follow to get rid of the disease. I can take it as a precaution. And so this app would also assist in providing some mental tips, health tips, which will help user to get rid of depression and other kind of mental issues. This app is also provided with some health tips, which is completely dynamic, and users can also go through those health tips, which will be updated frequently based on the situation. Say for an example, we are in COVID situation, what are the tips that we should follow? And we also have an abnormal lung detector, which is completely AI powered, where users can insert their chest image, and that will be predicting, AI will be predicting whether it is normal or cold or rheumatic. We also have doctors registration form, where doctors can register themselves, and they can help us improving this campaign. And we have BMI calculator, where users can calculate their BMI, and this is not so simple. We will suggest some foods, we will recommend some foods based on their BMI. Okay, if they are overweight, then we will recommend foods to reduce their weight. Apart from that, all this information are taken from various websites, over hundreds of websites, and those information are provided in the references section. So they can also go to the references section for further information, and the contents are actually verified with the doctors from the Coimbatore itself, and it is verified with Dr. Manikandan of Coimbatore Medical College. And yes, that is a feedback column where users can give their feedback instantly. They can give the feedback, and they can tell us how we can improve, and if there are any discrepancies, they can even tell those to them, and we can improve that.
The technology which we mainly use to build this application is Flutter, which is a cross-platform application framework by Google. And we have trained the chatbot using Dialogflow Console, which is also a Google API. We have used Dart language to work in Flutter SDK, and Firebase integration to enable authentication of the users and to maintain database. And we have used Android SDK and JDK to build the app package. And finally, we have used TensorFlow artificial intelligence to detect the abnormal lung X-ray detection.
Now let's see about overall accessibility. Considering the major features of an app, the benefits that the user can gain out of a simple application is versatile and humongous. This is a new concept and contains integrated features with attractive interface to attract the users. So it can be used by both iOS and Android users without any discrepancies. This is very easy to use, and it provides instant solution for over 57 temporary illness. The content provided is verified by doctors, so no worry. Soon we'll also include native language so that the targeted people will also be benefited. When a user tries this app, they can assure with 95% probability that they'll find it useful, and for sure they'll suggest to their known ones. So as the chain continues, we'll get maximum number of users for our app. We'll be keeping on adding the features and develop this app in such a way that it will benefit the maximum.